Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can be able to get your bank statement without going to the bank. You're going to get your bank statement on the Access mobile banking app. Getting an official bank statement, or what is called statement of account, from the Access Bank mobile app is fast and convenient. It's useful for bookkeeping, loan application, tax records, reconciliations, and proof of funds. So this guide will walk you through everything you need to know about how you can get your bank statement on the Access Bank mobile app. I'll walk you through every step from the point of preparing your account, using the app to view and download your bank statement in PDF or Excel file format, and also requesting official stamped bank statements if needed. So to get it all, just make sure you hang on to the end of this video. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So let's get started. The first step you have to take is to download and install the app. Then thereafter, you register on the Access Small app. And in case you don't know how to do all of this, I've already made a dedicated video on these topics. Just go over to the description of this video. You will see the links right there. Tap on the links, tap on it, then you'll be able to watch and learn how you can download and install and also register on the Access mobile banking app. So it's very easy. So once you've done that, then what you have to do is to tap on the app to open it. So let me tap on the app right away. You can see the app is opening up. So once the app opens up, what you have to do now is to log in by inputting your password. So let me go ahead now to input my password. Let me do that real quick. You can see I've imputed my password. So let me tap on sign in. You can see sign in right there to sign into my account. So make sure you input it correctly. So let me tap on sign in. You can see now I'm logging into my Access Small banking app. So I've successfully signed into the Access Bank mobile app. Here's the home page of the Access Bank mobile app. Now the next step you have to take now in order to get or download your bank statement from this app is to tap on where you can see menu. You can see menu right there at the bottom right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the first option, which is written account. You can see account right there. So let me tap on account. So right here, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see generate statement. You can see it right there on the left hand side. So let me tap on it. But before I tap on it, if you take a close look at those options, you will see that there's an option called signed statement. This is to tell you that there are two types of bank statement that you can get from this Access Bank mobile app. The first one is the normal bank statement, which is not signed, while the second one is the signed bank statement. You can see the difference. The signed bank statement is signed on and it is stamped, while the normal bank statement is not signed. So guys, you have to take note of that. Another thing you need to take note of is that for the signed bank statement, you have to pay a little charge that is equivalent to the normal transaction fee you're being charged. So it's a very small amount. Then for the normal bank statement, you're not paying any charge at all. You're not going to be charged anything at all. There's no transaction fee. So guys, that's how it works. So I'm going to be taking you through the steps on how you can get both the normal bank statement and the signed bank statement. So just make sure you follow through. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to tap on where it is written generate statement. So let me tap on it right away. Right here is the next step. You can see what's written there, generate statement. You can see that's the details of the bank account. So I want to get the bank statement for this particular bank account. So you have to check it to be sure that it is your bank account. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to go ahead now to impute the period for which you want this bank statement. You have to select the period from when to when do you want this bank statement. Remember your bank statement will contain all the activities, all the transactions that you've done on your bank account within the period that you're going to choose. So you have to use the filter or date range tool to choose the start and end dates for the statement that you need. You can see the filter or date range tool right there. So let me tap on where you can see start date to impute the start date. So guys, you can see this is the date range tool. So this is what you can use to set the start date. So you can see it contains month, day, and year. The month is on the left hand side, the day is at the middle, while the year is on the right hand side. So let me set the month right away. I want my start date to be 1st of August 2025. So let me select August. Then let me scroll to the 1st. I want it to be 1st of August 2025. Then 2025 is there. So let me tap on OK to set it right away. Let me tap on OK. You can see now my start date is 1st of August 2025. So let me tap on end date. Let me set up my end date real quick. Then I want my end date to be 30th of September 2025. So let me scroll through now to select September, then let me select 30th. You can see I've selected 30th. Then let me go ahead now to tap on OK to set this at my end date. You can see my end date has also been selected, 30th of September 2025. Now the next step you have to take now is to provide your email. You have to provide your email address. You can see where it is written email, and as you can see there, it says none available. So the email is very important because your bank statement is going to be sent to you via email, through your email. You're going to download it from your email. The PDF file of your bank statement is going to be sent through your email address, so take note of that. And also, if you have not added your email address to your bank account, if your email is not linked to your bank account, there are two ways you can do that. The first one is to do it on this app, and I've actually made a video on how you can add your email address to your bank account using the Access Banking app, using this mobile app. So go over to the description of this video, you're going to see the link to the video. Tap on the link, they'll be able to watch how you can add your email address to your bank account, to your Access Bank account. Then the second method is to go physically to a bank that is closer to your area. You have to go over to a physical bank, then they will give you a form that you have to fill to add your email to your account. So once you fill the form, then you submit it to the customer service there. They will help you add your email address. But I think the best is to watch the video I've already made. That's the best to save you time. So just watch the video and you'll be able to know how to do that. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to input my email. So let me input my email right away. You can see let me type it in, let me paste it right there. You can see I've pasted my email address. Now the next step you have to take now is to decide if you want a signed bank statement or a normal bank statement. You can see where it is written generate e-signed statement. You can see it right there. So if you want a signed bank statement, what you have to do is to toggle on that feature. But if you don't want it, just leave it that way. Remember what I told you about the difference between the normal bank statement and the signed bank statement. The signed bank statement you will be charged. You have to pay a little fee. It's a very small fee. So that's what it takes. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to toggle on that feature, the signed bank statement feature. Let me toggle it on, so guys, so that you can see what it's going to look like. Let me go ahead now to toggle it on. You can see I've toggled it on and it's loading the fee. You can see the fee there. You can see the fee is very small, and also the VAT is even smaller. So guys can see they are very small charges they are going to charge you for getting the signed statement. And also you're going to see where it is written account to debit charges. So they are going to be debiting the charges from your bank account. So you have to be sure which particular bank that they are going to be debiting. So if you have two banks with Access Bank, you have to tap on there. You have to tap there to see which particular bank they are going to charge. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on it. Let's see the bank that is going to be there. You're going to see the name of the bank and also the bank account number. So let me tap on it real quick so we can see it. You can see here, you can see this is the account to be debited, and that's my account number, so that is fine. So what I'm going to do now is to just go back. So guys, this is what you should expect if you want to go for the e-signed document. The e-signed document is going to be signed, and also it's going to have the stamp, the Access Bank stamp. So guys, I don't want to go for this e-signed statement. I want to go for the normal bank statement. So what I'm going to do now is to toggle off that feature. So just permit me to toggle off the feature. It's very easy. All you have to do is just toggle it on. If you want the e-signed, then you're cool to go, but I don't want it, so let me toggle it off. So if you do it this way, there is no need going over to the other option. Remember, in the previous page we have the option to go for signed statement, but I chose the normal bank statement. And right here in the process of getting the normal bank statement, they also give us an option to go for the e-signed statement if we want, by toggling on the feature. But I don't want it, so let me toggle it off real quick. Right there guys, can see it has been toggled off. Now the next step now is to tap on where you can see generate. You can see generate right there. So let me tap on it now to generate the bank statement. Wow guys, can see it's loading up. Wow guys, you can see success, statement requested successfully. So guys, now you can see I have successfully requested for my bank statement on the Access Bank app. So what I have to do now is to wait patiently for them to send me the PDF format of the bank statement via my email. So as I was talking to you right now, I just received a notification. That should be the bank statement. You can see it didn't really take long. So let me minimize. Then let me go over to my Gmail app. Let me tap on my Gmail app to open it real quick. You can see my Gmail app is opening. Right there, you can see that's the email from them, account statement. So let me tap on it now to open it. You can see I received it a minute ago, just as I'm making this video. Right here is the bank statement. You can see it says account statement. Let me read all of this. It says monthly statement by email for 1st of August 2025 to 30th September 2025. You can see that's the period for which I selected my bank statement. You can see so let me continue reading. It says, dear Blessing, thank you for choosing Access More. Please find attached your e-statement as requested. Thank you for choosing Access Bank PLC. So let me scroll downwards now to see the PDF. Right there, guys, is the PDF. You can see it right there. It says statement. So what I have to do now is to go ahead now to download this PDF, and for me to download it, what I have to do is to click the download icon. You can see it down there. So let me tap on the download icon to quickly download this into my phone. It's going to be downloaded into my file manager, into my phone directly. You can see it's still downloading. Now it's fully downloaded. So let me tap on it now to open up the PDF. Then let me open it with my drive PDF reader. You can use any app to open it up, like WPS, but let me use my PDF reader. Let me tap on just once. Wow, guys, you can see here is the bank statement. You can see it right there. You can see the full details of this bank account. You can see the balance of the bank account. You can see it right there at the top. You can see the Access Bank logo. So what I'm going to do now is to scroll down. You can see these are all the transactions and activities that I've carried out in this bank. You can see it right there, and this is actually a 6-page PDF. So this is because the transactions I've carried out within the period that I chose is very much and numerous. So for yours it might be just 1 page depending on the transaction that you've carried out. So guys, this is how you can actually get your bank statement or your statement of account here on the Access Bank mobile app. You can see it is very easy, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.